Hello there and welcome to Linux S2, and this video is about Linux beginners who are very new to Linux, and the video explains on how you can open up a terminal program. So if a new guy comes to Linux, they often find it difficult to open a terminal. Basically, they don't have any idea how they can start a terminal. So I'm going to show you some of the different ways that you can use to open up a terminal. So right now you can see here is an icon. So this is a terminal. So I'm going to remove this icon because by default you will not have this icon here. So you have to figure out how to open a terminal. So if you are using Ubuntu and you want to open a terminal, or even some of its derivatives, I mean, it doesn't matter which distribution you're using, these tricks will work on all the Linux environments. So in this environment, what I can do, I can simply press Ctrl+Alt+T and the terminal will pop up. This is the shortcut key for opening up the terminal. In some Linux distribution it's Alt-T or Control-T, or you can also customize it if you want, but in this one it's Control-Alt and T. So basically you can use this shortcut to open up the terminal. And Ubuntu uses Gnome terminal, so you can also use the F2 command here. So this is the Gnome desktop environment, so I can hit Alt F2, so this will open up this dialog here, and I can type the actual program name that is in the system. So this is Gnome terminal, and I can hit enter and the terminal will start. This Linux distribution uses Gnome terminal, but some other distribution uses a different terminal program. For example, KDE uses or console basically, so they have their own terminal, and some distribution uses a different kind of terminal like Tilix some uses, or there are a bunch of terminal programs. I will list all them here on the right side of this video. So you can use that terminal's name to open up that terminal. So far we have covered two ways on how you can open a terminal program. Both are from the keyboard basically. One is using Ctrl+Alt+T and another one using Alt F2 and then typing the terminal name and terminal will open. The next is using your menu basically. Distributions have a menu option just like the start button in Windows. You can click on that and you can search for terminal here and hit enter and terminal will start. So this is the terminal program. Next, what you can do, you can simply right click and you can see this open in terminal. Click on it and terminal will start, and this can also be done using the file manager. So this basically start the terminal from there. So the final way of opening a terminal is a bit different one. So when you start your system directly boots into a graphical user interface where you type in your password and you will log into the system and you will get to this screen here. But by default the Linux starts more than one cell behind your graphical user interface. So this is one cell, but there are different cells, they are completely CLI. So to open those cells you can press Ctrl+Alt and you can press F3. So this will start a kind of different environment. So this is like the CLI stuff that you probably have seen in movies. So here you have to type in your username. For example, the username for this is Takshak SH, and then you can type in the password and this will boot up into that. So like now I can execute any command if I want. So if I want to roll back to the graphical interface, then I can type Ctrl+Alt again and I can type like F1 or something and this will go back to that. So I can type password here and this will go back to the graphical user interface. So that was it in this video on how you can open up a terminal. So this is completely a beginner's guide. So if you have some experience, you probably know how to open a terminal. So I will catch you in the next one. Till then, take care and keep enjoying Linux.